Okay.
Which page, teacher?
We will finish the extra sheet before we start on the math book. So let's continue the extra sheet. We still have the problem, last problem.
Once we finish it,
No, we didn't finish yesterday the problem.
No.
we still have like
still
3
have-
equations.
We still have, yes,
Teacher.
3 equations. 2 equations,
Teacher, it
sorry.
was my turn. It was my turn.
Yes, Mohsen, yes.
2 equations?
We did the first equation, so I will continue
Here
the
it is.
second one. Yeah.
Teacher, which page?
It's on the extra sheet, teacher, on the extra sheet.
Yeah, it's on the.
Okay.
Wait, I can't find the page. On the draft book. It was on the draft book.
Name, وهي أنت. Teacher, today which page is the math book?
Teacher, did you see the extra sheet?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, didn't see.
No, it's not.
طب I will share it again.
No, we didn't see it.
Yeah.
No.
Now
Yes.
yes.
Okay, yeah.
Math yesterday I finished all the problem.
برافو حسام. يلا let's start.
the
We were
yesterday.
doing yesterday problem 3. We said that here that Sally has $56. She wants to buy a gift for her sister, a gift for her brother, and a skirt for her. So, in the first equation, we found yesterday how many dollars did she spend to buy a gift for her sister Iman. We said we have to read the sentence in a correct way. They said she spent 3/8 of her money.
Teacher, I'm not
So-
finding the page. I can't
Nixon,
find
write
it.
them on another page, a new one. Yeah.
Okay.
So she spent 3/8 of her money to buy a gift for her sister. So we wrote yesterday 3/8 of 56 in order to know how many dollars. The answer is 21. So she spent $21 to buy a gift for her sister Iman. Now we will calculate how many dollars did she spend to buy a gift for her brother. Yalla ya Mohsen.
Oh, we multiply 27
2/7 you mean?
2/7 of 56.
Excellent. So did you see the word of in the sentence? Just read it in a correct
Yes.
way. So 2/7 of them refers to $56. So to know exactly how many dollars did she spend to buy a gift for her brother, we have to solve 2/7 of 56. Yalla ya Mohsen, how do we solve it?
We 2 times up into brackets.
Okay, 2 times up into brackets.
56 divided by 7.
56 divided by 7. How much 56 divided by 7, ya Mohsen?
Wait.
Which number in table 7 give us 56? Easy. Which number? We need help.
Me, Abbas.
Abbas. يلا يا Abbas.
8 times 7.
8. Excellent. Thank you, Abbas.
Let's go.
يلا يا محسن. Continue.
8 times 2 equals 16.
Okay, so
16.
she spent
The answer is
$16. So what is the price of her brother's gift?
16.
16.
$16. Excellent. So the brother's gift, $16. Now we will find the price of both gifts, Iman's gift and the brother's
Teacher, can I do
gift.
it?
I do it.
I know it.
Wait.
Can I do it?
16 plus 21.
Wait, Mohsen, please. You did. Sukaina, you were absent yesterday. Yalla ya Sukaina.
Teacher.
How do we know, ya Sukaina, the price of the two gifts? The price of both, Iman's gift and the brother's gift. Both of them. We said that she spent $21 to buy a gift for her sister Iman. She spent $16 to buy a gift for her brother. Now, what is the price of the two gifts, both of them, Iman's gift and the brother's gift? What shall I do?
Add.
We will add, excellent, the price of both gifts. Which two numbers, Yasukaina? We will add them. What is the price of Iman's gift?
21.
21. What is the price of brother's gift?
16.
16. Excellent. So we will add 21 by 16. Yeah. 21 and 16. يلا يا سكينة add them. 1 plus 6.
This is 21 plus
سكينة.
إيه عيسى said it يا teacher.
37.
So 37. So 37. Write between brackets هيدا the price of both gifts. Okay? So she spent
Okay.
$37. She spent $37 to buy both gifts.
Yes.
Price of both gifts. طيب.
I wrote.
Teacher, can I do it?
Wait عباس. Sally,
Now it's time for her skirt.
listen carefully. Sally has $56, okay? She paid $37 to buy both gifts. How
Yes.
many dollars are left with her to buy the skirt?
We subtract.
Wait, Mohsen. Wait, stop answering without permission.
Yes, I know.
Okay.
Teacher, me.
Isa.
Teacher.
Isa Hodroj. She has $56. She spent 37. How many dollars does she still have to buy the skirt? How many dollars are left? What do I mean by left? Tamara,
Yes. Miss, I know.
what shall I do to know how many dollars are left with Sally?
Subtract.
Subtract. Why we have to subtract?
37
and 50 and 56.
Excellent. So I'm asking you about the remaining. Did you see the word remained in the problem? Remained money?
Yeah.
So what do I mean by
Yes.
remained?
Left.
Left. Excellent. Bravo.
Left.
So we will find how many
I
dollars
knew the
are left
answer.
with Sally. She paid. لما الواحد يعمل pay. So the amount of money becomes less or more if we pay.
ندفع مصاري.
Left.
Less. We are subtracting. Okay? So she has $56. She paid to buy
Yes.
both gifts. She paid 37. How many dollars are left with her? Let's check. من 37 لل 56, how many dollars do we still have?
19.
Excellent, 19. Let me arrange
19,
it.
yes, 19.
19.
I did
minus
19.
57.
The
6
price of
is
the
less than
skirt is
7, so we
19.
have to borrow.
So we cross the 5 and put
Yes.
on the
Put
7 till
16.
16, how much?
9.
9.
9.
And 4 minus 3.
1.
So $19.
$19.
19.
The price of the skirt is $19.
Excellent.
$19.
Yes, the price of the skirt is 19.
Or $19 are left, or the price of the skirt is $19. All of them are correct. The price of
The skirt
the
is
The
skirt
was $19.
is
Was $19.
$19. Is it clear, this problem?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Teacher,
Yes.
So clear.
So clear and so easy.
Okay.
Can you go
teacher, I
down?
didn't finish.
Yes, yes.
Yes, I didn't
Yes.
Finish.
Done.
Okay.
Teacher, I didn't finish.
Yalla, teacher, I'm waiting. Please hurry up. Quickly,
Hurry.
please. Yalla.
We're gonna do now on the math book.
Yes.
Which page?
Open your math books now, page 93. We have to start a new lesson. How do we compare two fractions together? Yeah. Page 93. Yeah.
93.
I will start.
I open.
23.
93.
Okay.
93.
But before we start on the math book, I will explain for you how do we compare two fractions together. Listen carefully and pay attention. In
Yes.
order to compare two fractions, yeah, teacher, both fractions should have same numerator or same denominator. So we can't compare the fractions just if they have both same numerator or same what denominator.
Denominator.
Okay, for example, 1/4 with 3/4. Here they have same what? Denominator.
Denominator.
Denominator. Down 3/4 with 3/8. They have same what?
3/4.
Numerator.
Denominator.
Excellent.
Teacher,
Numerator.
can I
Up, up numerator. Down
Can I tell you
denominator.
something?
Yes, teacher.
You were teaching my sister this. Lean.
Lean Zabad. Yes, yes.
Yes.
In grade 5.
I
Yes.
know. Yes.
Yes.
I know it.
Okay. Yeah. So in order to compare two fractions together, both should have same denominator or same numerator. Okay? Type.
Yes.
How do we compare them if both your denominators are the same? For example, 1/4 with 3/4. دايما يا teacher, two fractions having the same denominator, we look at the numerators and we compare them. Which one is bigger, 1 or 3?
3.
3. So the alligator here eats the greater numerator, so it will eat 3 out of 4.
4.
So 3/4 is bigger than 1/4. So if both denominators are the same, we look where? At the numerator.
At the numerator.
Which one is bigger, 1 or 3? 3. The alligator eats the
3.
3, the greater numerator, okay?
Yes.
Okay, so open its mouth. Did you see its mouth where? At 3/4. It's so hungry. So it will
Yes.
eat 3/4. Okay?
It will eat the biggest
I got
because
it.
it's
The
so
biggest.
I
hungry.
got it.
Yes, that's it.
I knew it.
Type. But now, if both have the same numerator, now it's different. Not look like the first one. Look how. If both your numerators are the same, مثل 3/4 with 3/8. If both numerators are the same, now we are looking down. We are looking
So
down.
it will eat the smallest. So
Excellent. It will
eat the
eat the
smallest.
smaller denominator. Okay?
I know that.
So why? I will tell you why.
Yes. Because the two numbers up.
The two numbers up. Yusuf Haidar. It's Alma.
عكس بعض يعني.
It's Alma. Yes, opposite to each other. If the
بس يعني
numerators
يضرب بعكس
are the
بعض. اللي
same,
فوق نفس
now we will
الشيء.
do the opposite way. The alligator will eat the smallest denominator. Okay, why? Look
The
why.
smallest one.
When I say, for example,
Because
عندنا two friends يا
the
teacher.
numerator is
Listen.
طيب ماس بلكي all of them are the same للي تحت واللي فوق.
So they will be equal. Important question, Ali Yusuf. So they will be equal. Yeah, listen carefully, please. I didn't finish yet my idea. Listen. Good morning, Ilyana. Why are you late?
Teacher, because I was entering the Zoom, but it wasn't working.
طيب, okay. طيب, follow us, يا Ilyana, because we are explaining a new lesson. Yeah. So, in order to compare two fractions having the same numerator, up the numbers are the same, 3, 3. Now we are looking down. We are looking down. So, the alligator will eat the one that has the smallest denominator. Why? Because if we are talking about grades, for example, when I say someone took a grade 3/4, the other one took a grade, let's say 3/8. طيب. 3/4, how many points do we need to get a full mark?
So I don't have an internet.
3 till 4, how many points do we need to get a full mark? We need 1 point. Teacher, 3 till 4, we need how many points to get 4/4? We need 1 point. 3 till 8, how many points do we need to get a full mark? 5. Which one is better? Which one is better, 3/4 or 3/8?
3 over 4.
3 over 4 so it's the biggest. Okay? So كل ما يكونوا يا teacher النيوميريتور والدينومينيتور قراب على بعض كل ما بيكون الفراكشن أكبر. يعني ال 3 is closer. 3 هي closer to 4 more than 8.
Yes.
هي قريبة على ال 4 أكثر من ال 8 so 3 over 4 is the biggest. Okay? دايما كل ما يكون النيوميريتور والدينومينيتور very close to each other the fraction will be bigger. Okay?
Teacher?
Let's say for example, wait a minute. Let's say for example, 4 out of 4, 4 out of 5. Which one is better? Which grade is
4
better?
over 4.
4
Bravo,
out
full
of
mark. This is a full mark, 4 out of 4. But here we need one more point to get a full mark. So كل ما يكون الدينومينيتور أصغر كل ما بيكون الفراكشن أكبر. Okay?
Yes.
Clear?
Yeah. Okay.
طيب. But we said يا ليانا this if we have the same numerator كل ما يكون الدينومينيتور smaller كل ما بيكون الفراكشن bigger. طيب but if both have same denominators do we need to do the opposite? No. We look at the numerators. The biggest numerator هو the biggest fraction. No need to do the opposite. Okay? We choose the biggest numerator. It's the biggest fraction. Now you can ask
أنا
me.
عندي سؤال.
Teacher?
محمد صعب. What do you want?
Yes. إذا كانوا كلهم مختلفين مثلا يعني 3 over 5 و 4 over 2 يعني شو
Okay.
بنعمل؟
I said at the beginning of this lesson يا محمد we can't compare fractions unless they have same what? Numerator
Numerator or denominator.
لازم يكون حيلا وحدة نفس الشيء.
اوكي محمد يعني انا ما في اعمل
شيء أو النيوميريتور.
Yes, that's it. Clear?
Teacher, I have a question.
Yes, teacher, ask me.
ما راح تجيب لنا منه لأنه هذا
Wait,
درس
عزيزة.
غير.
عزيزة, listen. Yes, teacher.
Teacher, if the numerator and the denominator are the same, we put equal?
Yes, Yara, bravo. Important question. Ali Yusuf asked me this question. Like 9 over 9 or 8 over 8. Okay? So equal. Okay?
But teacher,
Why? Look
the
why
5
they are
over 5
equal.
and-
Listen. Mehsen, listen. Let me
Because
explain, please.
because they are نفس الشيء.
No. Look why. Look why. If we want to compare a fraction by 1, like 8 over 8, or 9 over 9, or 7 over 10, or 8 over 15. Look how. In order to compare any fraction by 1, دايما الفول مارك اللي هي 8 over 8 or 9 over 9 or 10 over 10 or 7 over 7 it's the same as 1 equals 1. دايما الفول ماركس هن equals how much?
equal.
دايما الفول mark equals 1. Why? Because we are coloring here, for example, let's say 4 out of 4. We will color 4 parts out of 4. We are coloring all the shape. So means we are talking about one circle, so it's the same as 1.
طيب math.
So دايما يا علي يوسف I didn't finish. دايما الفول mark equals how much?
1.
1.
Equals 1.
طيب if we choose now if we took less than the full mark, for example 7 out of 10, did we take here a full mark?
No.
No. 8 over 15?
No.
No. How do we compare it by 1? It's less than 1. دايما لما يكون الفراكشن هو اقل من الفول مارك بيكون less than 1.
Less than.
Okay, so in order to compare any fraction by 1, if both are the same اللي هي الفول mark equals 1. Less than the full mark, so it's less than 1. Okay?
Yes.
So I will repeat again. How do we compare fractions if both the numerators and denominators the same? Full mark, how do we compare it by 1?
Put equal.
Equals 1.
Yes.
Type if we took here less than the full mark, for example 7 over 10, how do we compare it by 1?
It will be less than 1.
Less than 1. Excellent, that's it.
سهل يا ماس.
Okay.
So easy.
Listen, here, what is the fraction that represents the colored part? How many parts did we color? 3 out of
3. Of 4.
Out of 4, the total. And the second one, how many parts did we color? 3 out of
3 out of
8 اللي هو التوtal number. طيب.
yes. 3 out of
Let
8.
me ask now, عيسى حضرج, which fraction is greater, 3 over 4 or 3 over 8?
I know. 3 out of 8. 3 over
Wait. I'm asking عيسى. ما بدي اسمع ولا صوت.
3 over 4.
عيسى, which fraction is greater, 3 out of 4 or 3 out of 8?
3 out of 4.
Excellent. Why يا عيسى? Same numerator.
I know.
Ali Yusuf, tell me why.
Christmas.
Why?
Because 3 is taking more than 4.
What? Why?
Because up is 3 and down is 4, so they are.
You have to say 3 is closer to 4 more than what?
More than 8.
More than 8. We can do it like grades, yeah, teacher. Here we need 1 point to get a full mark. Here we need 5 points to get a full mark. So which grade is better? 3 over 4 or 3 over 8?
3 over 4.
3 over 4. So كل ما يكونوا numerator والdenominator very closer to each other كل ما بيكون ال fraction bigger. Okay?
Yes.
Miss يعني like 3 over like Miss like
Like what يا زين?
I'm just doing an example like 5 over 6.
5 over 6 and 5 over 5. Which one is better?
5 over 6.
لا.
5 over
5 over
5.
5 over 5. لأن هي full mark يا زين. Here we need 1 point to get a full mark. Here we took full mark. So which one is better?
The 5 over 5.
5 over 5.
5 over
Yes. So دايما يا teacher لما يكون two fractions عندهم same numerator we are doing the opposite. Okay? Less denominator هو ال biggest fraction.
Okay.
Less denominator هو ال biggest fraction. طيب but if we are looking
Teacher, when we would start in the morning?
wait Abbas, if the denominator is the same, for example 1 out of 5, 2 out of 5, which fraction is greater, 1 over 5 or 2 over 5?
1 over 5.
2 over 5.
2 over 5. Now no need to do the opposite because we are looking up.
Yes.
We choose the biggest numerator. Okay?
Yes.
Right.
Okay.
Let's start doing exercise 1, page 93.
Teacher, I did it.
Bravo.
I did 1 and 2.
Exercise 1, I do it.
Yeah.
Teacher, which page?
I did 1 and
93.
2.
Yeah, listen please. 93 part A.
Teacher, I do it.
Yara Zaidan. Yara. Yara.
93.8.
Yes. Yara Zaidan, please start with the first one.
Teacher, can I do?
Yes, teacher.
Yalla ya Yara. How do we compare 7
Teacher,
over
can
8?
I?
Listen please, you made noise, teacher.
I
Listen to your
made-
friend.
Teacher, I made part A and B.
طيب, let me start please,
And I
Mohsen.
made
Yalla. Yalla ya Yara. How do we compare 7 over 8 and 5 over 8? Yara. Yalla ya
Can I?
teacher. Yalla ya Yara. We are waiting for your friend, teacher. Yeah.
Yes, I know.
Please wait.
5
Yara,
over
عم
8.
تسمعيني?
Yes.
Yeah. Which one is the biggest? 7 over 8 or the alligator will eat which fraction? Do it like grades.
5 over 8.
No يا يارا. Teacher مش بالكل أنا بختار الأوبوزيت. بختار الأوبوزيت just if they have same numerator. لما يكونوا numerator.
Teacher, can I?
في مجال تسمعوا؟ Stop saying can I. You made noise. Listen يا teacher. We will do the opposite just if both fractions have same numerator. يعني لما يكونوا numerators up the same, we will do the opposite. But if the denominators are the same, no need to do the opposite. Yara, do it again. يلا. يلا يا يارا.
We put 7/8.
The alligator will eat 7/8. Why? Tell us why.
Because the numerators are not the same.
Excellent. The numerators are different. So 7 is bigger than 5. طيب. Then Najm.
Yes.
16/25 or 16/52. The alligator will eat which fraction?
16/25.
16/25. Excellent. Why, Yazan?
Because if the denominator is different, it's always the smallest.
Bravo.
Is the
Excellent.
smallest.
Denominator is different. Always it's the smallest. It will eat the smallest. حسين عبادة.
Miss, can I do it?
حسين
Yes,
عبادة.
teacher.
How do we compare 5
Yes.
over 5 by 1? Full mark. طب how do we compare 9/14 by 9/16? The alligator will eat which fraction?
9/14.
Bravo,
I do it
excellent
all of it.
حسين. 9/14. Excellent, thank you. طيب محمد صعب.
Welcome.
Yes.
How do we compare محمد 5/5 by 1? عباس please.
Miss,
يلا محمد. How do we compare 5/5 by 1?
كيف يعني؟
الفول مارك. الفول مارك شو بتكون يا محمد؟ equals or less than 1?
Equal.
equals 1.
Equals.
دايما الفول مارك equals 1. Okay?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, عباس. Now يا عباس يلا 1/12 و 1/13. The alligator will eat which fraction? عباس.
Miss, can I? Can I?
رين فرحات. Wait. رين فرحات.
1/12.
Okay, عباس. 1/12. Same numerators. So the alligator will eat the smaller denominator.
Can I do? Teacher, can I do?
I said several times, stop saying can I do. Ren Farhat, are you hearing me? Ren? Ren?
Miss, can I do it?
طيب ليانا عز الدين. ليانا.
Teacher.
Yes, teacher.
يلا يا ليانا. The alligator will eat which fraction? 8/15 or 7/15? ليانا.
Right. Is that 8?
Yes. It will eat
8/15.
excellent. Why?
Teacher, can I?
Why يا ليانا? ليانا unmute please and tell us
Because
why. Yes.
Because it's bigger.
It's bigger. Bravo. 8 is bigger than 7. عيسى حضرج.
Yes.
عيسى. The alligator will eat which fraction? 17/32 or 17/23?
17/23.
Excellent. Why يا عيسى?
Because it's different.
It's different denominators. Bravo. So it will eat the smaller denominator. محسن زبد.
Yes.
The alligator will eat which fraction? 13/25 or 12/25?
13/25.
Why?
Because the numerators are the same.
The denominators are the same.
Good.
Yes, يا عباس. Your internet connection is not good. زهراء زعرور.
Yes.
يلا. 3 over 7, how do we compare it by 1? Is it a full mark or less than the full mark? How do we compare it by 1?
We compare it, we put equal.
لا, why equal? Is it a full mark to say equals 1?
Oh no.
So, it's not equal.
It will eat the one.
It will eat 1, so it's less than 1 because 3 is less than the full mark, 3 over 7. Did we take here a full mark?
No.
No, so it's less than the full mark, so it's less than 1. Clear, teacher? How do we compare fraction by 1?
Yes, can I do one more one?
يلا يا زهراء. 3 over 7 or 4 over 7. The alligator will eat which fraction?
3 over 7.
No, ya Zahra, no. 4 over 7. We do the opposite, ya Zahra. Zahra, we will do the opposite if the numerators are the same. But here, do we have same numerator, ya Zahra?
No.
No, so we can't choose the opposite. It will eat which fraction?
4 over 7.
Zahra, 4 over 7.
4 over 7.
طيب.
Miss, can I do one?
Now, Aziza.
Yes, I didn't do.
طيب, Alma.
Yes.
يلا يا Alma. The alligator will eat which fraction? 5 over 8 or 5 over 9? Now, same numerators.
Sure. I know.
5 over 8.
5 over 8. Excellent. It will eat the smaller denominator. طيب.
I finished.
Asil Asim.
I finished.
Asil Asim.
Yes.
Yeah.
also
The alligator here 85 over 85, 17 over 17. How do we compare them?
I know.
Yes.
Both of them are full marks.
Yes, so I know.
Ahmad Alawiye.
Teacher, I know.
Ahmad Alawiye.
Yes,
I know.
Basil.
I know.
Wait, teacher. Basil, you did, yeah, teacher. Wait,
There's less than 1
It's equal.
Ahmad said it.
Must
Yes.
equal.